my jaw cracked at how shocked I am. Hey guys, welcome to another video that you wish you didn't click on. Today we're going to be continuing down the path of embracing ourselves, and I'm going to be using a foundation that actually matches my skin tone, and on top of that, I'm not going to be putting on any bronzer, so it's going to stay matching my skin tone. Usually I always think that I should make myself look darker because I'm gonna be honest, I don't like being this pale. Like, I'm fine with being pale, but like this pale is a whole other level of pale, considering that I haven't left my house in about a year. So just when you think she can't get any paler, she gets paler. I'm starting off with concealer just because I want to cover things up first, so then I can just be super light with the foundation. If you want to prime your face, please go ahead, because my face is currently in a state where it's already primed naturally. There's a nice layer of oil on it. Even though I blotted, it came up right away, so it's like I didn't do anything. But if you are dry, please use a dewy primer so this look can look its best. If you're wondering which concealer I'm using, it's the Huda Beauty one, the one that you've seen about 500 times now. Or if we're going to count by how many videos I've uploaded, then like 34. I want to get into the phase of putting less concealer on my face, so I only really put it on my jawline because, you know, that's where I'm battling some issues, and then under my eyes because that's a whole other set of issues. And I already did my eyebrows and my mascara because, you know, I'm trying to look more presentable in these videos. We're going in with the Morphe 2 Skin Finish. Or is it a skin finish? I don't know. Skin tint, pardon me, skin tint. I should probably learn the names of these products before I... Oh, well. A lovely color. I think it's the light... No, it's not the light. Yeah, no, I think it's the lightest one that they have. I was gonna get the second lightest, but then I'm like, no, Monica, you need to embrace your paleness, because I spent the summers trying to look bronzy and failing at looking bronzy because it's only my face that looks bronzy, and then the rest of me is just as pale as can be. Je t'aime. Oh no, that's je l'aime. I'm still working on my friends. I meant to say I love it, but I said I love you, and then I said like je l'aime, je l'aime. Huh. Oh, j'aime ça. I love that. That's as close as we're getting to saying it properly. Does it ever happen to you when you start putting on foundation and like your scars become more visible? It's like just touching it makes it irritated, and then it's just like, hey, no me gusta. It's not happy. I don't. That's probably not right. It's okay. We're trying to be more multilingual on this channel, because why not? Doing my makeup is extra hard in this sweater because I feel like I'm being choked and I can't even like do it properly. And do not forget those veiny eyelids. So we've run into a very slight hiccup because when I was buying a same shade foundation, I also probably should have bought a same shade concealer. I'm gonna try and put some of the foundation on top of the concealer just to make it lighter. I think that looks better. A little bit. You know what? This look is an inspiration for you. I'm not saying that my final product is going to be perfect or anything close to perfect, but it's to inspire you to do something new with your makeup. Accept yourself as you are, in whichever way you are at any time of the year, is basically what I'm trying to get at, because I know when I look back to how I did my makeup for the last, let's say from like 2013 to like 2019, or maybe even 2020, I've been good with 2020 mainly because I'm not going out so much, but like till 2019, my face rarely matched my neck, and today I would like to say that like, Okay, well, other than that, my chest is looking very red because your girl's a little nervous, so we'll just pull that back up. I think I got a pretty good match, so we shall continue on. I was debating whether I should powder my face, and I think I came to the conclusion that we should save the powder for the powder donuts because that's the kind of mood I'm in. And then throw away those powder donuts because we're trying to be healthy. Emphasis on healthy. Oh, I'm taking the Diamond Balm. How beautiful. I also want to put some on my eyelid. Hopefully it's safe for eyelids. And now the other side because we want to match. I'm interested to see how this looks on camera. I was expecting this to be this like thick streak of glitter and shine, but it's not. It's like more natural than I thought it would be, and I like it. That's beautiful. Beautiful. I'm singing a Spanish song because that's what I'm currently into. Should I put it in my brows? Yes, I think I should. First, let me see that I have enough on my face. Oh my god. My jaw cracked at how shocked I am. I kind of want to put sparkles in my eyebrows every day. Like, would that be appropriate? Love it when my chair just sinks. That's when you know it's time to lose some weight. I'm gonna try and do it like this. Ooh. Oh. Feel like I'm intergalactic. This may be a little like, I feel like, okay. And I'm going in with the Patrick Ta lip gloss. Okay guys, so this is the final product. Now, before you go saying that it's like the best thing that you've ever seen, the worst thing that you've ever seen, remember that we're experimenting, and you know what? If I could go out into the world every day with this much sparkle in my eyebrows, I would be living my best life. Is this something that I'm going to wear every day? No, it's not. Is it something that I'm ever gonna wear? No, it's not. Which is why it's fun to just test it out and get inspired, because maybe next time I go out, maybe I'll just stick to putting the Diamond Balm on my eyelids instead of taking it all the way like up to my hairline. Just a tip. Anyway, thank you guys for watching.